Hello everyone, welcome to our video presentation. We are from Group 7 Cartes, and today we are going to present our project that is Unmasked, a design thinking approach to raising Gen Z's awareness of FOMO, social pressure, and impulsive financial behaviors through an interactive digital platform. So before we get started, let me introduce our team members. The first one is me, Nazukala Sabila Haryadi, and they are my teammates. Salsabila Mutiara Putri, Zahra Maulana, Wiyami Khalida, and Aulia Zahra.
Okay, let's start by looking at a reality that Gen Z faces every single day. On average, Gen Z spends over 3 hours daily on social media, with the vast majority relying on algorithmic scrolling as their main source of leisure. However, this constant exposure to highly curated lifestyle triggers deeper psychological crisis and a sense of FOMO or fear of missing out. Based on this phenomenon, we have identified 3 core issues. First, lack of self-awareness. Decisions are heavily driven by social pressure and external validation rather than genuine personal needs. Second, no reliable platform. Existing tools are too formal, clinical, and text-heavy for the visual-driven Gen Z. Number 3, impulsive microspending. It's small habits like cafes, fire trends, BNPL like buy now, pay later, and accumulate into invisible long-term losses. Next. So, what is Unmasked? Unmasked is a digital platform designed to help the young generation understand how social pressure affects their life decisions, lifestyle, and financial choices. Okay, next is Unmasked core features. First, the FOMO assessment quiz. The main is a structured test to help users personally measure their FOMO levels. Second, the reality decision simulator. The main is this interactive tool show a 1 to 5 year financial projection of daily habits like cover outings, viral trends, and BNPL subscription. Number 3 is positive trend feed. It's curate content designed to replace FOMO pressure with mindful and sustainable lifestyle inspiration. Now, who is this for? We divide our target into 3 tiers. The first is our primary target is Gen Z, age 18 to 25. They are intensive social media users who are just entering financial independence and are highly vulnerable to trends. The next is our secondary target is young adults aged 26 to 30 who might still carry these impulsive youth habits. And the last is tertiary, we serve educators and counselors who need awareness tools for their learning environments. Okay.
To build this project, we followed the 5 steps of design thinking process. Let's start with the first step. First, empathies. To understand our user, we look at both academic studies and real-life social media trends. Research papers from 2024 by Gunanestan, Tandon, and Kumar prove that spending too much time on social media can make young people lose self-esteem and copy what others do. When we look at TikTok, Instagram, and X, we saw the exact same thing. Gen Z is always watching idealist lifestyle, and viral trends. This creates a huge pressure to live in, which sadly leads to unplanned spending and wasted money. Two, next is the define an idiot. We took all that information and made one clear problem statement. Gen Z needs a fun and easy platform to see how online trends control their money and lifestyle choice. To find a solution, we use to how might we framework. We ask ourselves how can we help you see the social pressure and how can we do it in a fun way without acting like a strict parent or being judgmental. This brainstorming session is how the core ideas of Unmasked were born. 3. For the prototype stage, we decided to make a web bring or like a retro funky style. This means we use bright color, rounded shape, and playful drawings. We did this on purpose. This makes stressful topics like money anxiety feels casual and easy to talk about. We started with a simple static layout, which is the medium fidelity page, and then upgrade it into a high fidelity prototype where you can actually click the buttons and see how the page connect. Next. Next, explaining what the app does. Now let me explain the four main features of Unmasked. First, we have to FOMO assessment quiz. User answer quick question about their habits to see how vulnerable they are to FOMO. Second is the social pressure scanner. It helps user track down which app, algorithm, or online group are causing them to most anxiety. Third, our favorite feature, the relative decision simulator. It works like a choice-based game where you simulate real-world situation like buying a trending item versus saving that money for the future. 4. We offer positive trend recommendation to give user better, healthier lifestyle alternatives. Last but not least, testing. We test our prototype with 10 university students. The feedback was great. They loved the design and said the reality simulator was super relatable. However, they gave us one great advice. Instead of choosing visit prices, they want to type in their own money numbers. So for our next update, we will add custom input fields to make the simulation match their real wallets. The wrap up Unmasked successfully gives Gen Z to wake up call they need to make smarter financial decision. Next.
Okay, in this slide, we present the key insights we identified along with the how might we question that guide our solution development. First insight, Gen Z often compares themselves with others on social media, which can lead to feelings in insecurity and anxiety. So we ask how might we help users recognize when social media comparison is negatively affecting their emotion and decision. Second insight, many users feel pressure to follow trends in order to stay relevant. So we ask, how might we help users identify and manage feelings of FOMO in their daily lives? Third insights, social media often encourage impulsive spending behavior. So we ask, how might we encourage users to make more mindful financial decisions before following trends? Fourth insight, users are often not aware of how online content influences their behavior and choice. So we ask, how might we help users better understand the impact of digital social pressure? Finally, we found that the most exciting solution focus on limiting social media usage, which may not be affected for Gen Z. So we ask, how might we promote highlighted digital habits without forcing users to stop using social media. Overall, this How Might We question help us turn problems into opportunities and guides us in creating solutions that are more relevant and user centered. And now I will explain we develop our ideas through the brainstorming process. The brainstorming process was based on finding from the empathize and define stage. We use secondary research and also observe user behavior on social media. We collected insight from statistical reports, academic studies, and real behavior patterns of Gen Z users. So based on this insight, we decide to develop a solution that is more engaging, more relatable, and focused on self-awareness, digital well-being, and better financial decision making. That is our idea Unmax was developed. And the next is empathy map. On this slide, we show our empathy map to better understand our target users, which are Gen Z students. And first, who are we empathizing with? We focus on Gen Z age 18 to 24 who actively use social media and are often exposed to trends, influencers, and digital social pressure. Second, what is our goal? We want users to be aware of how social media affect them and help them discuss things between them need wants and before making decision. Third, what do they think and feel? Many users feel pressure to follow trends. They often compare themselves to others and feel insecure. They also experience fear of missing out. Four, what do they see? They see influencers, viral trends, and perfect lifestyles online, which creates pressures to keep up. Fifth, what do they say? They often say things like, I don't want to be left out, or maybe I should try this one too. Six, what do they hear? They hear message like this is trending or you have to try this from friends or social media. Seven, what do they do? They scroll frequently, follow trends, compare themselves, and sometimes make impulsive purchases. Overall, this empathy map shows that users are highly influenced by social media, but they also want to improve themselves. And now I will explain how we developed this empathy map. The empathy map was created based on findings from empathy and defined stage using both secondary research and social media observation. There are insights before and became the foundation for develop our solution in Unmax, which focus on self-reflection, digital well-being, and more mindful financial decision making.
For the next one, I will present our define and idiot stage, focusing on our brainstorming analysis and customer journey map for the Unmasked platform. To turn our observation into a focused problem definition, we organize our data using the affinity diagram method by cross-referencing our social media findings with recent academic literature. We consolidate our insight into four dominant clusters that drive FOMO among Generation Z. The first one is social comparison and insecurity, sparked by Gruenstein and Tenburn. We found that intensive exposure to creative lifestyle online triggers severe anxiety and a constant need for external validation. And the second one is peer pressure and need to belong, backed by Ari Pianto and Salahuddin. This highlights the social compulsion to follow viral trends and buy popular products just to avoid inclusion from uh, uh, circles. And the third one is financial myopia, outlined by Kurniawan and Saraswati. Gen Z constantly prioritize short-term gratification and immediate lifestyle spending over long-term financial stability. And The last one is impulsive spending, confirmed by Kumar and Kumar. This is spontaneous purchasing behavior driven purely by emotion and trend momentum, which inevitably leads to deep post-purchase regret. To structurally solve this issue, we categorize our data into metrics. Our facts in white color show that while Gen Z's financial literacy is moderate at 70.19%, they dominate over 51% of vintage lending balances. Our emotion in red color capture their online anxiety and purchasing regrets. This spark our ideas on green color to create an assessment quiz, social scanner, and also a decision simulator, which brings massive benefits in yellow color, like increase self-awareness, while mitigating risk. The black one like user drop off. This led to our selected solution Unmasked, an interactive web-based platform with a youth-centric retro-funky aesthetic designed to increase self-awareness and promote mindful financial habits without forcing users to completely disconnect from social media. Next, we're moving on to our customer journey map. We recognize that changing this deep-rooted consumers' behavior in a gradual process, as established by IBM and the Interaction Design Foundation. These tool maps are users transformations across 5 distinct stages. The first one is awareness or realizing the problem. The user scrolls through the social media and encounters content exposing the toxic side of FOMO and impulsive buying. Realizing this behavior sounds familiar. Their primary pain point is limited initial awareness of how subtly algorithm manipulate their choices. And the next one is phase two, explore. They're getting to know Unmasked. Driven by curiosity, the user visit our website to explore available features. The pain point here is naturally skepticism. They are unsure if the platform can provide truly useful or relevant insight. And the third one is assessment. To break this skepticism, the user takes our 3 questions from assessment quiz. While answering reachable daily scenarios, their pain point is internal doubt regarding the accuracy of the diagnostic tool. And the fourth one is reflection. The user reviews the score and answer the reality decision simulator. Here they see explicit visual projections showing how small micro expenses like cafe hangouts or TikTok purchases compound over 1 to 5 years into massive financial losses. Their pain point is severe cognitive discomfort and difficulty accepting this harsh financial reality. And the last one is improvement and motivated by realization. The user takes action by adopting low-cost lifestyle challenges like no spend weekend or 75 hard saving. The biggest ongoing pain point is long-term sustainability, maintaining consistency and resisting new incoming file trends. So in conclusion, our customer journey map ensures that Unmasked actively addresses user friction at every step. We turn moments of doubts and anxiety into opportunities for growth, effectively transforming invisible algorithmic pressures into a visible, manageable framework that empowers Gen Z to reclaim their financial future. Next.
And next web. And next one is homepage or landing page. Unmasked is an interactive financial awareness platform designed to help Generation Z recognize the impact of social pressure, FOMO, or fear of missing out, and impulsive spending habits or their financial decision. And the homepage user to the platform main purpose and displays a personalized FOMO indicator that their spending behavior. From this page,
User can easily access all core features, the social pressure scanner, reality decision simulator, and positive trend section. Okay, next. Two social pressure scanner or FOMO assessment quiz. The social pressure scanner is a self-assessment feature that measures the user level or FOMO and social pressure related to financial behavior. User answer a series of questions about their spending habits, social media influence, and comparison trends. Based on their response, the system generates a FOMO score, provide insight into how social pressure might affect their financial decision. Key benefits: one, raise self-awareness about spending behavior. Two, identifies social pressure triggers. Three, provide personalized financial insight. Three, F4, encourage more mindful financial decision making. Okay, next. Three, reality decision simulator. The reality decision simulator allows users to explore the long-term consequence of their lifestyles choice through a realistic financial scenario. User can select different spending or saving behavior, such as one, hanging out 4 times a week; two, using pay later service; three, investing small amount daily; four, following a viral shopping trend. And the simulator then visual the potential financial impact of this decision over the next 1 to 5 years. Next, last, for positive trend future, the positive trend section radiate FOMO toward healthier and more financially responsibility lifestyle trend. Instead of promoting excessive consumption, this feature highlight positive social trend such no spend weekend, budget debt, and each trend includes a brief explanation and accurate social media content to inspire user to participate. And next. Okay, next, testing and result. Testing objective. The usability testing was conducted to evaluate the effective usability and user experience of the Unmasked platform. The testing I made to determine whether the platform successfully helps Generation Z recognize the influence of FOMO, social pressure, social comparison, and impulsive spending behavior. Objective 1, evaluate as of navigation of usability. 2, measure user understanding of the platform better. And 3. Assess the effective of self-reflection and awareness building tools. And last, collects feedback for future improvement. And next, participant and testing method. This in criteria, participant description 10 Telkom University student to age range to 18 to 5 years old. Next, target user Generation Z. So next, criteria social media user, active user of TikTok, Instagram, and X. And last, method description usability testing and Google form evaluation. Testing flow 1. Explore the platform. 2. Complete the assessment quiz. 3. Try the reality decision simulator. 5. 4. Review personalized result. 5. Provide feedback through evaluation form. And next, this quantitative result have key findings. One, user found the platform easy to navigate. 2. Assessment question were clear and relatable. 2. Simulators scenario reflects real life experience. Last, visual design was attractive and engaging for Gen Z user. And next, main user insight, relatable language. User felt comfortable because the platform use a simple and non-judgmental language. 2. Effective self-reflection. Financial projection help user understand the long-term impact of impulsive spending. Yeah. And 3. Realistic scenario. Participants relate strongly to situation involving trend, subscription, and online shopping. 4. High engagement. Interactive simulation encourage user to reflect on their social media habits and spending behavior. And next, suggested improvement. 1. Allows user to input custom spending amounts. 2. Add progress tracking and account system. 3. Provide more personalized recommendation. 4. Introduce badge and gamification feature. And last, expand simulator, scenario, and assessment question.
And that brings us to our end of the presentation. Before we close, we would like to apologize for any mistakes or shortcomings during our presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the discussion forum or in the comment. Thank you and goodbye all.